Hey everyone, and welcome back to the JC Tech and Finance channel. Now, IKEA is known for stylish, well-designed, and affordable home furnishings, including smart home accessories. I was able to get one of IKEA's most useful accessories that they no longer sell, but they still sell variations of it. Now, today, I'm very excited to share with you my thoughts on these blinds. If you're looking for a smart and easy way to manage the lighting and privacy within your home, you'll definitely want to stick around for this review. Welcome back. So, we're going to talk about IKEA's smart blinds in general, though the model I have is the fighter model. I have the blackout model that mostly blocks out the sunlight, except for what escapes around the edge. Now, IKEA has always been known for its minimalist and user-friendly packaging. Now, in the box contains the blinds themselves, the battery pack, called the Bonnet battery pack. We have the repeater. We have the plug for the repeater, the USB-A to mini USB-A cable, the switch, and the brackets. Oh, and before I forget, they also have the user manual. So the blinds come in various sizes ranging from 23 inches to 48 inches in width, and all are 76 inches long. Now, these shades use a Zigbee repeater that has to be within 32 feet of the shades. You can pair them with either IKEA's smart hubs or other hubs. Now, one of the biggest concerns with any home improvement product is installation. Fortunately, IKEA provides clear instructions to guide you through the process. You'll need a drill, a measuring tape, and a screwdriver to get started. The brackets are easy to install and the blinds click into place effortlessly. If you're not particularly handy, don't worry. The installation process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Even if it takes you a bit longer, the end result is well worth the effort. Additionally, IKEA also offers an installation service for those who prefer a professional to handle the installation. Now, let's talk about the features that set IKEA's blinds apart from most traditional blinds. These blinds are motorized, meaning you can control them with the included remote or through the IKEA Home Smart app. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices and integrates seamlessly with other IKEA smart products. Now, one of the standout features is the ability to schedule the blinds to open and close at specific times. This is perfect for those of you who want to wake up to natural light or ensure privacy during certain hours. The app also allows for voice control through Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, adding an extra layer of convenience. The blinds are battery operated, as I mentioned earlier, which means you won't need to worry about wiring or finding an outlet nearby. The Bonnet battery pack is rated at 2600 milliamp hours, which makes the battery life pretty impressive, allowing the blinds to last for several months on a single charge. Now, when it's time to recharge, simply use a USB cable and plug the battery pack into the mains to charge, and you're good to go. Performance-wise, the motor is relatively quiet and smooth, ensuring that the blinds open and close without any major disruptive noise. The fabric blocks out a significant amount of light, making them ideal for bedrooms or media rooms, where you want to minimize glare and maintain a dark environment. Now, the included remote control is pretty intuitive, allowing you to adjust the blinds with just a few clicks. The app provides additional customization options such as setting favorite positions and creating groups of blinds to control multiple windows simultaneously. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons of the IKEA automatic blind system. Easy installation, convenient app and remote control, customizable scheduling and voice control, long battery life, and stylish design. Cons, limited color options. You can either get these blinds in gray or you can get more traditional blinds in white. Another con is that it requires the IKEA Home Smart app for full functionality. Final verdict. While there are a few minor drawbacks, the overall performance and features of these blinds make them a standout product in the market. So, if you're in the market for smart blinds that are easy to install, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing, I highly recommend giving the IKEA footer blinds a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more reviews and home improvement tips.